kano sa magita, bawal or not advisable magpatutoy. Yun everyone. So, and now let's learn the medical contraindications to breastfeeding. In the book of Brown, there are medical problems in the mother and the child that is absolutely contraindicated to breastfeeding. First contraindication is the infant condition called galactosemia. So what is galactosemia? So it is a rare genetic disorder of carbohydrate metabolism. That the body cannot break down galactose found in lactose. So sa pagani monosaccharide nga glucose and
Galactose.
Thank you so much. So according to the book of Brown, there are 150,000 children infected with HIV through mother-to-child transmission. So kano sa magita, bawal or not advisable magpatutoy. So first, kung sa ganito pinakauna sa infant, galactosemia. So it is a rare genetic metabolic disorder. And if the infant whose mother is infected with HIV, taking antiretroviral medication, and for those infected with human T-cell lymphotropic virus, both type 1 and type 2, and for those may be sufficient. Always weigh the risk to infant versus the benefit of breastfeeding. Thank you.
Which focuses on immediate skin-to-skin contact, which is placing the newborn directly on the mother's bare skin.
So, klaro pa sa inyo. Ano naman na mag-ready?
March for
Okay. So again, there is
Ay, pag aura sa dira, kay nakasurvive. Oh, libot. Turn. Saan sa da? Naibasher.